In this video, we will learn about countrow, distinct count, and count blank function. So we will use the same table that we had already used in the previous video. So let's write one DAX measure, and in this video I also need to tell you that see, these two columns are the text values that contain text values, and if you look here, this is the numeric value, and all the blank values in the numeric column or the logical columns are considered as null values. So this is the point that you need to remember. What is the difference between blank and null values? So the empty values in text columns are considered as blank values, and the null and the empty values in numeric and conditional or the logical columns are considered as null values. Let's write one measure. For example, distinct count. Distinct count, and the formula is distinct count. Counts the number of distinct values in a column. So let me give TBL product column, put one card here, and here we have the measure here, and here you can see we have four distinct count. So if I look, so here you can see we have four distinct values here: P1, P2, P3, and the blank. So these are the four distinct values, and if I apply the same value for conditional column, so here you can see we have three values here. If I look here, in the conditional column we have true, false, and blank. So this is how distinct count function works. It counts the unique values within a column plus empty value. So let's write one more measure for the count rows. Count rows, product underscore count rows, and count row function. So it takes one table, counts the number of rows in a table, and this is TBL count. So hit enter. So drag and drop count rows. So here you can see we have 8 values here, and as you had already seen in the product table, we have 8 rows here, and that's why count row function count the total number of rows that are available in the table. So let's write one more measure, the count blank. Product count blank. So it takes one column and it counts the number of blanks in a column. So let's give one column like products, put one card here, count blank. So it counts only one. So if we look here in the TBL product, we have, in the product column we have only one blank, and if I give color column here, then it should give us the result 4, because we have 4 blank values. So let's put color instead of product, and the value is 4. That's right. So let's check it with the conditional. And we have 3. So let's look here. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So the count blank function works with the blank values and as well as the null values. So if we look at the numeric column, like cost, so the value we are getting 2. So here we have one null value, and the second is the null value. So these are the count row, count blank and distinct values in DAX.